sixth thing that we can do for our Google Business Profile to start ranking better in the map pack, build the business of our dream, make the money that you deserve, is to have a page for each service/product directing them directly to that specific service page on your site. So I'll explain what that means. But as we can see here, this is the 14th ranking factor on the 2023 White Spark local SEO study. We can see right here, dedicated page for each service. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you how to do that, right? So Google's competing against AI and stuff like that, right? And what is AI? It's instant, right? You type it in and it gives you the direct response, and it kind of makes the process as seamless as possible. And so Google is competing against these like basically no-click searches, what they're calling, right? You type it in and then you just get the information automatically like you do on ChatGPT, right? And so what is Google doing to try to combat that? Well, they're kind of putting emphasis on the Google Business Profile and making sure that, a consumer can get all the information they need about your business and about what they're looking for just from your Google Business Profile, right? And so what we have here is we have products. Oh, look at these products, great. And so if you're a service company, like they'll be your services. I don't know why they call them products. And well, if they don't change this, like because they know you're a service area business, I don't know why they just change that to services, because having services here is kind of confusing because it's not the same thing. Anyways. You'll click right here to edit products so you can see all your products. And basically what we want to do here is we want to have each one of our services that we have linked on our site, services, it's these 6 services, we want to have that specific service page linking to that specific product. And so Google's seeing correlation between the H1 here, the H1 that is on this one, it's window cleaning in Newport Beach right here. So window cleaning, Google's saying, okay, window cleaning, good. And they see on the URL slug, they see window cleaning, okay, good. And then they see your product and they say, oh, window cleaning. And then the URL slug is window cleaning. And then the H1 on the page is window cleaning. Sweet, we've got consistency. Google loves consistency. And so once again, we're just giving Google information about what we do and what services we can provide. And so I recommend don't put your price in here. Don't box yourself in. People just immediately make assumptions on there. Let's keep the curiosity high by leaving the price off. If you want to add the price, hey, to each their own, do your thing. But window cleaning, you just want to add the name of it. You can add a category. And so if you don't have any categories popping up for this, just go ahead and click on create new category, add it as window cleaning. Or if you wanted to kind of nest them where you do like exterior cleaning, then you have window cleaning, pressure washing, whatever. Just depends, whatever you want to do. But the big important thing is we have, add your description here, description about the service, write some compelling copy. I'll show you what consumers will see on the consumer side. And then just make sure you add that specific landing page that's going directly to that service or product, whatever, on your site, right? And so once again, Google wants to see all that consistency. And so, yeah, that's how you do it. It's super simple. What it looks like when a consumer clicks on it is it just looks like this. And so they can get all the information that they need without having to go on your site. And then from there, if they do want to go to their site, if they want to reach out, they can just call right here and click call. Or if they want more information, boom, they can just go to your site and to that specific page. They don't have to navigate the rest of your site. So Google loves to see that. Go ahead for all your service pages. If you don't have service pages on your site, you're going to take an afternoon, or talk to your web designer or whatever, and make a service page for each, make a page for each service that you provide on your website. That's good to do just in general. Once again, Google's using all the content on our site to figure out what we do, where we are, whatever. So the more information that we can give Google, the more likely they are to rank us for the stuff we want, right? So once you do get all your service pages built out, then make sure we're adding them to, lost the page. Make sure we're adding them to our Google Business Profile products right there and just linking them directly. And so if you want to see what another one looks like for example, roof washing, here we go. Same thing, adding a little bit of description about roof washing, why it's important, why choose us. They can reach out there, or they can just visit that exact roof washing page. You see roof washing, we have consistency. Google loves to see consistency. So if you have any questions about this, feel free, pop it in the community, ask a question, we'll help you out. And if you can't get any answers from there, or you need a little bit more help, go to the calendar, add one of the free coaching calls to your calendar, hop on, we'll walk through it together, make sure you're set up properly to start building that business of your dreams. So go ahead, if you've completed this, or if you need to mark this, figure this out later, mark it as done, or don't until you're done later, and move on, and I'll see you in the next one.